everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate M&S gift card online. If you are looking for a way to activate your Marks and Spencer's gift card online, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch open your web browser and visit marksandspencer.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will then end up in the official site for Marks & Spencer. Make sure to log into your account like you normally do. Now, in order to activate your gift card online, from the main homepage, go ahead and search for product, code or brand in the search box at the top and select the product you'd like to shop with. Once you come across the product you'd like to purchase, click it open and add it on your shopping bag. In order to add the product to your bag, get to the preview page for the product and click on add to bag. Now you can continue checking out with the product. If you want to get to the checkout option, click on this checkout button at the bottom of the screen and then you'll end up in the checkout page. In the checkout page, you'll need to enter a delivery method you'd like to choose, find your location and enter it in the text box over here. You can also type in your postcode or your town's name. After you've entered your delivery address and other information, you'll need to go ahead and check out with a payment method. While choosing a payment method, click on Pay by Gift Card / Rewards Voucher option. Then you will get to enter your gift card code in the text box. Enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your M&S gift card. And finally, click on the Apply button at the bottom. And then you will be able to redeem or activate your gift card for M&S. So that is how you will be able to activate Marks and Spencer's gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.